We are making history at the Church of God General Assembly. This is Lee University Presidential Uber. Phil Harris, come on. You need to ride to your seat? Yes, we are live. You don't have a choice. Where are you from originally, Phil Harris? All over.
Originally from Chattanooga.
Phil Harris.
I'm back in Chattanooga.
Church of God royalty. Phil Harris pastoring where, sir?
The Ministry Center in Hickson.
And you remember the first time we met? What were you doing? What was I doing?
I was catching at a softball game.
And I was.
You were umping.
And I just did it again. I just picked you up and made you get on the Uber. What's up? What's up? How you doing? I'm gonna run over people. How you doing? Everything going all right? Good to see you. Right here in the flesh, man. You heard this is Sims. He's on today. See, you got fans. Sims, I'm putting pressure on you in front of God and everybody. The whole world is watching this. Sims, what do you want to do when you grow up? What's your plan? What's God calling you to do?
I would like to be a pastor.
You know where you're going to train to do that? Where are you going to go to school to do that?
Lee University.
Come on now, Sim. Have you enjoyed the General Assembly? You done some fun stuff, I bet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What have you done?
Well, I've been competing in Teen Talent for the majority of the week.
What categories?
Bible teaching, monologue, Christian comedic performance. I did a male vocal solo and then a small vocal ensemble.
I'm exhausted. I haven't hit anybody yet, have I? I don't want to run into anybody. This is the presidential Uber. You heard about it?
I've heard about it.
It's often imitated, never duplicated, Bishop Stewart, I'll tell you that. Look, we're holding the curtains for us too. I don't even know the horn to beat, so there we go. Not only are you leading the Church of God as the part of the executive committee, not only are you a Lee alum, not only is your wife Lee alum, you're the parent of 2 students right now.
You know, they're in campus choir.
There you
they're
go, shout out campus choir.
Both in DZT.
Oh, they are?
Yeah,
that's right,
DZT. Yeah, but here's what I know. I look back at their journey. They're closer to Jesus today than they were when they were.
Say it. Seth, you know about the presidential Uber, don't you? Absolutely. Oh, he don't know about us.
I do. I see it.
Does he really? So I tease your son.
That's good.
Where's he get the talent?
God first.
Come on.
And of course,
you know you got to say that.
You know, and of course I gave him a little bit of my
You
DNA.
did. You gave him a little something. Look who we found here at the assembly. The General Overseer of the Church of God, Bishop Gary Lewis. Thank you for being on Lee University's presidential Uber. Have you seen it?
I've seen it. I've not seen it at General Assembly. Hey, listen, let me just jump in.
Yes.
We made an announcement this morning. Lee University over $12 million in scholarships to Church of God kids.
1,000 students. $12 million going to Church of God students. 1 million, more than 1 million of that going to students whose parents are in the ministry.
Yeah, it's been incredible. Last night was incredible.
Man.
With Christine Kane.
Yeah, nobody does worship like the Church of God.
She said that. She said this is the best worship I've been a part of.
And she's right. And you know,
and most of those were Lee alums.
I said it before you beat me to the punch. Presidential Uber. Have you seen the Uber?
No.
You're the reason you're riding with us because we don't care about your parents. We don't care about the people in the back here, okay? Who goes to Lee right now that you know?
My 2 brothers.
What are their names?
Boston and Balin.
Now, you know, they got a reputation at Lee. You know what their reputation is? The coolest dudes at the school. You know that, right? And you know where they get that reputation from? From their dad. That's where they get it. Look, I'm going to turn right. I'm knocking over exhibits. Pardon us.
My name's Kyle Philippi. I direct Far Flung Tin Can Missions Organization for the last 16 years. The most remote people groups in the world, we're making sure that they even get access to the gospel.
Spreading the gospel through missions work. But Guy's gone viral so many times. This is chump change for him. But we're proud of Kyle and proud of what he's doing to spread the gospel and to represent Lee so well.
And he's only hit 3 people. So that's pretty good.
Have you seen this?
I've seen.
You're just being nice. You haven't seen it one time, James. You're too nice to tell me otherwise. DeLand, Florida. How long you been in DeLand?
7 years.
But before that, you were in?
I was in Savannah before that. And you want to keep going? It'll be a long
Keep going.
trip.
Go back. I'm looking for one in particular. I got one in my mind.
And then I was in Ohio.
OH, that's what I was looking for. I got the Ohio years locked in. I don't know there's a better soloist that's ever been at Lee University than James White. Brandon, do we have anybody else to interview?
Nope.
How about you? Come on, Brandon. Sit here with me. It's been a good week. We are Church of God to the bone, both of us. So it's been a good week. Talk about what do you got on right there? What's going on?
It's a Redback Hymnal sweatshirt.
Some of you watch like, what the heck is that? Pick a number. See if I can sing the song for you. Come on.
92.
Now let us have a little talk with Jesus.
I actually happen to have one.
Is that 92? Am I right though?
Let's
It
see.
is just a little talk with Jesus. Don't doubt me.
But just a little talk with Jesus.
His grace in the mansion bright and blessed, He'll prepare for us a place.